Okay, so I showed you this example just because there's a drug name, there's an amount of the drug or dose of the drug and all kinds of things going on here. But it's still the same. This is another milliliters per hour. What is the hourly rate? Let me change that to my pencil. What is the hourly rate? Okay, so we're looking for mLs per hour. Okay, so I want you to go to your problem and find mLs and time. Okay, so this one's a little bit different. So I have 100 mLs over 30 minutes. Okay, so I know I need my final answer to look like mLs per hour. This is mLs per minute. So remember back in the drop per minute calculations, if you've got something you don't want, you can always convert it. Okay, minutes is on bottom here, so I put minutes on top up there. All right, those are going to cancel. And I know a conversion from minutes to hours. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So this looks just like the one that we did with drops per minute, except it's flipped. And guys, this is a ratio, 60 minutes to 1 hour. It doesn't matter what I put on top and what I put on bottom. 60 minutes is always equal to 1 hour. It doesn't, you're going to write it the way that it works for you in the problem. And I need minutes to cancel with minutes. Minutes on bottom cancels with minutes on top, okay? All right, so at top I get 100 times 60 over 30 times 1. I'll leave that as 30. That's equal to 6,000 divided by 30. And that's going to be equal to 200. Okay, so 200 mLs per hour. And that is your answer. Okay. Now, let's see if that makes sense to us, okay? And I'm just going to be honest and give you a hint here. Most IV flow rates are anywhere from 20 mLs per hour to 200 mLs per hour. If you get something like 5,000, you're never going to put 5,000 milliliters into somebody in an hour through an IV, okay? This happens to be ceftriaxone, which is an antibiotic, and a lot of antibiotics will run at either 100 mLs per hour or 200 mLs per hour, okay? IV fluids, like normal saline or lactated ringers, I have seen them as high as 150 unless somebody is in fluid volume deficit, and then we'll maybe bump it up to 200. But your normal ranges there, 50, 75, 100, 125, something like that, okay? So just kind of make sure your answer makes sense as well.